Welcome back, guys, to a new live day trading episode. My name is Julius. I hope you're well. We are back in the S&P 500 future. I'm trading 5 micro contracts here on my equity account. This is real money right off the bat. Please make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in live trading. I upload every Tuesday and Saturday. The market opened 1 minute ago and I am still waiting for the market to reach the range tops. We are in a slowly rising but still ranging market. The lows are down here at the 67 and to be exact, the tops are here at the 94.75. But since this is a quite a long candle wick, I probably would already go short here somewhere at the 92.75, 93, somewhere about there. But the market did not reach it yet. Don't be confused here in the account window. You can see that I already took a test trade. This was this little test here that cost me $1. I was just testing out the mobile trading service to see if that works. This had nothing to do with my trading in general. Okay, so we are still right here where the market opened. Nothing's going on. Let's take a look at the footprint chart. Yeah, okay, we are at the value area low, point of control nearby. Building clusters here, but delta is quite positive, quite bullish. So let's see if we get a chance to go up there again. I also want to take a look at the mini as always. And we are still quite some ticks away in the mini as well. Yeah, I hope you're all well. I hope you had a great trading week so far. As I told you, 5 micro contracts are being traded today again. That equals amount of $25 per point. Market is pretty long here the last few days again. So let's see if we now maybe get an opportunity to short all the way up here. That would be good. But since the tops, to be exact, are here at the 90, almost at the 95, I really want to catch a good entry. We're not there yet. I really wanted to see a hit of those tops. It doesn't need to be the perfect double top here with the candle wick, but like where the market closed, where the candle closed, I wanted to see this price level being tested here. Okay, here we go. This is what I wanted to see. And we are in. Now I can delete all of that. So I'm happy with the entry here. Now let's set a stop loss 1 tick above the overall tops. Let's see if this is right. Let's also set the stop loss in the mini to really make sure that everything is right. And then let's see how far the stop loss is away. 2.5 points, almost 3 points. That is okay. Nothing we have to worry about. And now I'm looking for the market to go short here. If the market should continue long, I will reverse position and stop myself out should we close above this red line. This is my stop loss line. I'm not using an automated stop loss with the broker. I'm just closing the position manually should a candle close above my stop loss line. But there's still some room left and we give the market some time here. The first candle definitely laid the ground for some bullish momentum coming in, but still everything is possible to change. Got some imbalances here. As I told you before, value area high, we are currently exactly there. Candle wick unfinished auction up here, but that's in the European session, so it's not counting so much. Let's see if we are still going long today or if this now is the double top I was shorting in. And we have plenty of short potential here to go to the lows of the day. That would be already like 26 points. It would be a lot. So there's a lot of potential. And oftentimes it's the case that in the European session we get a, for example, long trend. And then in the US session, immediately everything will be sold off again or vice versa. Yeah, that is a very likely opportunity. So that happens very often, not always, but I'd say it's 50-50 thing, so maybe we're lucky today here. But I'm not living off luck or anything else. I know that this approach where I, as a first entry, short a double top or buy a double bottom, I just know that it's working over the long term, okay? So it's statistically proven that it's working. But if we are lucky, the market sells off immediately very fast. And then we would be also able to make a lot of money here. Okay, so far so good. The market is not that fast today until now. Let's see if this is going to change soon. Take a look at the volume and delta. Okay, the volume in the first candle was very big. 50,000 contracts, that's a totally good amount. Now we are still at a little bullish delta here. So the active market buyers are still there and not enough active market sellers coming in. But now we are building clusters on 2 consecutive price levels. As you can see here, also right at the point of control. So if we are able to stabilize below those clusters, they will act as resistance. Should we stabilize above, they will act as support. So let's see. We tried some lower price here, but we're immediately bought back. This fight is not over yet. The bulls are very, very strong. So if we want to go lower, we have to break a lot of support levels. But I'm not the one who judge in which direction market will head. I just entered a double top here and we'll see how that turns out. And then I just go with the flow of the market. That's my approach. Just always going with the flow. So maybe I'm just gonna be quiet for a minute and we'll see how this position turns out. For now, we are printing a bullish pin bar, which is a bullish sign. So not a good first indicator that we are going short. So maybe we are being stopped out all the way up here. And then I would have to open a long position to continue with the possible breakout. For now, I thwarted the range tops in the hopes that the market will continue to range or go lower and not break out higher. But now we actually made new highs for the day in the US session. So this doesn't look like that we get this case that I mentioned before where the European session is building up and then the US session is selling off. This doesn't look like it since we are making new highs for the day in the US session. So maybe this first position is wrong that I'm in and we have to reverse into a long one, but that is totally part of the game. It's like a 50-50 thing if I'm right with my first entry, okay? Usually I enter in the range and it's a 50-50 thing if the market is continuing to range or if it's going to break out. Yeah, seems like we are getting stopped out here. No problem. I'm using the reverse button. You can't see it. It's below or underneath my face cam, but I'm using a reverse button that automatically closes my short position and enter a long position with the same amount of contracts. So now we are long. We took a $100 loss approximately. Now I want to see some long momentum for sure. Hopefully this is not a false breakout. Delta again, very, very bullish. And now those clusters should act as support. Since I told you if we are able to stabilize above, this will act as support. Seems like that's the case. So the stop loss for now will be set all the way at the lows of the day. So for this new reverse position, I really give the market all the space it needs to evolve. And we for sure get the opportunity to move the stop loss a lot closer to the new entry. Okay. At some point we will get the opportunity. For now, I give the market all the space it needs to evolve into a continuation long. So this is the plan for now. Hope you enjoyed it. First trade did not work out, but that happens very often. That is no big deal now. I just want to go with the flow of the market to see if this breakout is successful, to really make new highs, to test higher price. We should keep in mind that here's the 5,700 that will act as a magic number, or that is a magic number, and will probably act as some resistance. So the chance very big that we are maybe getting into some problems around this number, but I'm not making trading decisions on 1,000 possible things, okay? I just decided I want to hold on to my strategy that I'm always trading. And if there's a magic number or if the footprint chart tells me something, it's really not that big of my concern, okay? I just hold on to my strategy. We can't keep everything in mind that the market is doing here. We can't look at every indicator. We can't look at every price number. We can't look at every support or every resistance in every time frame. We have to decide at some point, okay guys? So maybe you would say I would never go long here since there's a magic number, okay? Then this is your approach. I know about those things, but I say to myself, okay, this is too irrelevant for me to differ from my working strategy, okay? My strategy works in every market. That does not mean that I'm making money every day. I have losing days. I even sometimes have a losing week, but over the month and especially over the year, I'm very profitable. So I don't care for the result of one day, or if there's a magic number, or if this indicator said this and this indicator said that. I don't care about those things, okay? Even though I'm a day trader, I look long term. And if you think like, okay, typical investors making like 10% a year, which is a good result, that is nothing for a day trader. Okay, but there's also the aspect that we have to put in the work every day, and an investor probably does not have to work every day on his investments. So now we get a little sell-off here, but that should not concern us. We have enough space. Really, the market needs some time maybe to break out higher, and I'm gonna let it do that. For now, I'm just gonna mute myself and we're gonna take a look when something interesting happened, okay? Okay guys, little update. So we actually went long again after this big retracement. How many of you got nervous down here? Be honest. Would you have closed the position when we're in a $300 drawdown here? I didn't. I held on to the position, and now we are almost in a $100 profit. We could say we are more or less break even here already. So let's see if the breakout will continue for now. I'm still waiting here. I'm still letting the market go. We are about 1 hour into the trading day. So today is not the fastest market, but we're still break even for now. Let's see how this will continue. If you're going long again, let's take a brief look at the footprint at the delta. Currently negative delta. I can imagine that we'll see another sell-off here. Did we have... Oh, we did have a negative candle in the mini. So the stop loss is not right here. It needs to be set underneath the low of the day. We have a negative delta in the mini and a doji in the micro. So there's again a little difference here. But I still let this run. We currently are above the 5,700. So that's quite interesting. I'm happy with today. Of course, we were in a little drawdown here. I let the position run and now we are going into profit. So I always believe in my approach and I know that my approach will work. So should we get in a little drawdown in the meantime, I'm not getting too nervous. I know that in the end, my position will work out. So I just hold on to it and there's a result we get. So I do not need to catch the perfect entry. Of course, it would have been better to go long down here, but I did not know that the market will come back down for a moment. So I already went long here. I did not catch the best entry of this long reversal, but I don't need to catch the best entry. I'm not waiting for the best situation. I just go long where my strategy says that I need to go long and then I will hold on to the position and it's working out. We are break even now and let's see if we can continue any higher. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to mute myself again and we wait together. Okay guys, so this is where I end today's live trading session. We're in a profit of $350. In total, we're in a profit of over $200. So quite a successful trading session for today. I really did not have too much to talk about here today. I just entered the position, reversed long, and then just waited until now. You guys saw it. I didn't do anything here. I just waited and the position turned out beautifully. This is what I mean with patience pays off, okay? I do not need to catch the best entry here in the reversed position. I just enter where I need to and then let the market evolve. Sometimes it takes a while, we make a little retracement, but overall we are going long. Now over $200 profit, 1.5 hours into the trading session. This is totally fine, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. A quick, profitable trading session, nothing big to talk about here, just wonderfully evolved into a beautiful long trend. This is what I waited for. Delta still bullish, everything is working out perfectly. Yeah, nothing big to talk about. Regular day, average trading day for me. I'm just letting you be part of it. Showing you what I'm doing every day here. This is a usual day trading working day, so to say. I hope you enjoy my honesty, this authentic live trading approach. And it changed again here to 2 contracts. I don't know why it does that from time to time. Definitely always make sure that you're trading the right amount of contracts, $200 into the trading session. I think that's enough for today. A quick trading video. I hope you could learn something. Just very straightforward here, nothing big to talk about. We'll see us in the next episode. Take care of yourself, guys. Thank you for your support. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you are interested in regular day trading, live trading content. Then we'll see us in the next episode. Take care of yourself, guys. Have a great rest of the week. Bye bye.